Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity levels on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the home button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called vibration and tap on it. And right here we can adjust the vibration intensity by swiping up and down on the screen. And we have two different vibration intensities. We have default and strong. Select the one you like and then tap on the checkmark to confirm. Then tap on checkmark again. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.